Okay guys, so right, as you'll see in the start of this video, as far as I can tell, my neighbour's lights are not on. I've just posted a video, you presumably will see it, just posted a video about this scratchy noise that I've been hearing, and like I said at the time in the video, I was fairly convinced it was my neighbour just doing whatever he was doing. Now I'm not so sure anymore, because I've just been sat watching a few more videos. I'm just now watching the Mosagi video. I'm going to go to bed soon, but I was going to watch this Mosagi video and then probably go to bed after that. So I'm like, again, literally at the start of the video more or less, and again I start hearing this noise, and it's really loud and it's really scratchy, and it's like, it really sounds like some sort of animal or something. So I'm thinking, why would he be doing it again now? I mean, it's now 10:25 in the evening. I mean, you know, it's not made any noise for a good couple of hours, you know what I mean? So I'm like, if it was my neighbour, why would he start pottering around again? Do you know what I mean? With whatever it was he was doing. So I went outside, as you see in the video. I looked up, there's no lights on in his house. I'm assuming he's asleep. He does appear to be somebody that goes to bed relatively early, from what I can tell. I mean, sometimes I think on weekends he stays up a bit later, but for the most part I think he goes to bed relatively early, I think, because his lights are off and he's quite quiet. You don't hear any noises. Sometimes you do when he's pottering around up there, whatever. So I'm fairly certain it's not him, but whatever the hell it is, and as soon as I go outside, it's like whatever it is seems to sense me being there. Even if I'm really quiet, it seems to sense my presence, because it stops. Right, I'm gonna give it another try. I'm gonna see. Alright, hang on. Look, see, I was just about to watch Mosagi, another video from Mosagi, and oh my gosh, he's with him in this video, I believe. Right. I really want to try and capture this noise on here. I don't know if you guys heard it just then. It didn't come out. Sorry, hang on, let me go back in the kitchen. Sorry, I'm just, because, right, hang on. Sorry. Right, yeah, sorry. I noticed after I posted it, well, I played it back as I was uploading it, so I didn't really know, because I didn't watch it. Normally, especially after I've edited a video, I'll watch it through once, obviously because I want to check that I've done everything and it looks good and so on and so forth. So like proofreading, you know, like when you write something and then you proofread it and you go through it before you get it published, or whatever you're going to do with it, or publish it online or whatever. You want to make sure you've got all the spellings right and this, that and the other and blah blah blah. And it's just, for me, it's a similar sort of process with videos, you know what I mean? So I'll sort of proof watch them, if that's an actual phrase or not. And so I'll run through them once before I actually start uploading, you know what I mean, just to make sure that I've done everything I need to do and the edits look good and it works and so on. And sometimes I'll do that even with an unedited video. Sometimes, not necessarily always, just depends. So anyway, so like I say, I was uploading it, and it was only afterwards I decided I'll watch it through to kind of see if it picked up or not. And you can't really hear it. You can't really hear the sound, even though, like, I put the camera right near it, the camera didn't seem to pick up the sound. So that's why I went out there just then. I was really quiet. I wasn't obviously speaking or anything. So again, I have no idea if it actually picked it up. This time I'm going to watch this through before I start uploading it. Like, it was pretty loud. But again, we've got a bit of traffic noise and there's people walking past talking and so on and what have you. So again, I'm not sure whether it picked it up or not, but I'll watch it through this time just to see if it did or not. But in the meantime, I'm going to try once more to see if I can capture this noise, because I don't want to keep turning the camera off and then sit down and it starts, I pick up the camera and then blah 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 and what have you know what I mean, because I don't know if I'm going to catch it or not. I'm going to try it just one more time. Just one more time I'm going to try and... because I don't know what's going on. It's like as soon as I sit down and start watching the video or whatever, it's like all of a sudden it starts. Right, I tell you what. Sorry about the darkness. Right, I tell you what, folks. Oh, flipping heck. I see, I don't want to put the light on in case that disturbs it, whatever it is. Right, I'll tell you what, I'll stop. Because I don't want to edit this video necessarily either, because of the editing issue, like I said. Typical, innit? Now it stops again. Let's have a look. See, as far as I can tell, look, my neighbour's light's out and it's quiet as a mouse up there, so if it was to, it wouldn't be fiddling around in the dark, surely. So I can't see it being him somehow. So I'm pretty sure it's not him. But what the heck is it, and why is it not making a noise now? I mean, is it really sensing my presence right now? I mean, okay, I'm talking, so it probably could hear me, whatever it is. Oh, this is so frustrating. It's like, I want you guys to hear it. I want you guys to hear the thing. See what you make of it. Do you know what I mean? Sorry, I know, I'm in and out of the kitchen. Light on, light off, sorry. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video. And I'm going to try and obviously put these together if I can, rather than be all separate videos. I'm going to try and capture this noise if I can. So the mystery continues. Catch you guys momentarily, maybe. See you in a bit.